Today, we're going over the essential tools you'll need for a successful DIY fence installation. Having the right equipment can make all the difference, so let's dive in. First up is the post hole digger. This tool is crucial for digging deep, narrow holes for your fence posts. Make sure to choose one that's sturdy and comfortable to use. Next, you'll need a level. This ensures your posts are perfectly vertical. A level is essential for a straight and professional-looking fence, so don't skip this step. Another must-have is a tape measure. Accurate measurements are key to laying out your fence correctly. Measure twice. Cut once. This saying couldn't be more true. You'll also need a hammer or a sledgehammer, especially if you're using stakes or wooden posts. This will help you drive your posts into the ground firmly. A saw is essential for cutting your fence materials to size. Whether you choose a handsaw or a power saw, make sure it's appropriate for the material you're using. Next up is a drill. You'll need this for making pilot holes and securing your fence panels. A cordless drill is especially handy for ease of movement. Don't forget your safety gear. Always wear gloves, goggles, and a hard hat to protect yourself while working. Safety first, folks. Some bonus tools that can make your life easier include a wheelbarrow for transporting materials and a leveler to ensure your fence panels are aligned properly. There you have it. These essential tools will set you up for a successful DIY fence installation. Should you need any professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.